In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Gear Up Booster subscription. So in order to do that, first head over to gearupbooster.com and you should be able to see the support article about the auto renewal FAQ. So you can enable it and you can check if you're also enrolled to it. So if you have auto renewal enabled, you can find it by going to your account settings and you can find the cancel auto renewal option button and your auto renewal information. So make sure that they actually send email notification 3 days before a scheduled charge and again on the day until the charge is processed. This ensures that you are fully informed about any upcoming or completed transaction. So if me ask if you'll be charged immediately after linking, the answer is no. If you want to manage your auto renewal, you can cancel it on the account setting page, and from in there, you must cancel 3 days in advance. Just head over to the configure, go over to account settings, and you can cancel it for it. So that's all there is today, and I hope the video helped you out.